Ciao, my fellow Juventini. This is Dhananjay from Calcio Chacha. Tough night last night, on the back of two really big wins. Juventus, just when they were looking like they're striking form, they've gone and done, exactly what they did to themselves in the game against Lecce. They've gone and repeated that performance against Cagliari. Clearly, it's very hard to understand how, since the time the data was collected in 2003, 2004, 78% possession, and they really have nothing to show for it. 18 corners, so there's no excuse for hitting the post, there's no excuse for not getting a penalty. This is a team that is just not capitalizing and finishing off their chances. This is something that can come back and bite them really, really hard. From a team that was competing for the top three, now is going to be competing for the fourth and fifth place on the back of performances like this. Where does this really end? There's talk of Mateta. There is talk of, maybe more striking reinforcements given that Vlahovic may be on his way out. So really, where does this end? And Juve really needs to pull up their socks. There's a big game coming up over the next weekend. But before that, we have Benfica. And then, of course, Napoli. Napoli at +4. So obviously, if Juve want to stay in the race for the Champions League, it's a must-win game for them. So this week is a really crucial one for Juve's season. And this is pressure that they've kind of put on themselves. They have no one but to blame but themselves. Anyway, looking forward, keeping our heads held up high. There is a lot of positive to take away from the fact that they are performing really well in terms of ball control, playing vertically. They're just not finishing off their chances. And I think that's the difference between making the Champions League in the top three and maybe not qualifying for the Champions League at all this season. So really, Juve, it's time to pull up your socks and start finishing off those chances. You can't be winning 5-0 one weekend and then losing away to the likes of Cagliari the next, So let's buck up and keep this going. Fino alla fine, Forza Juve.